Have you ever wondered who we owe our modern world of electricity to? Let's journey back in time to the year 1847, to a small town in Ohio. That's where we find a young boy named Thomas Alva Edison. Edison was no ordinary child. He was a budding entrepreneur selling newspapers and snacks on trains, fueled by a curiosity that was as relentless as it was infectious. But life wasn't all smooth sailing for young Thomas. He was struck down by scarlet fever, a disease that left him with a hearing impairment. This impairment would go on to influence his education, leading him down a path less conventional, less traditional. But this path was his own, and it was this unique journey that would lay the foundation for the genius to come. Edison's early life was a tapestry of experiences that shaped him, molded him, and ultimately transformed him into the inventor who would revolutionize the world. Edison's inventive journey began at the age of 21 with his first patent. This was a pivotal moment in history, setting the stage for a series of revolutionary innovations. Edison's early inventions, such as the stock ticker and the universal stock printer, showcased a mind at work, relentlessly seeking to improve and refine. These groundbreaking devices transformed the world of finance, enabling faster and more efficient communication of stock prices. But Edison wasn't satisfied with just transforming one industry. He was drawn to the vibrant energy and endless possibilities of New York City, where he established his first small laboratory and manufacturing facility. This workshop became the birthplace of countless inventions, each one a testament to Edison's unyielding curiosity and inventive genius. From a stock ticker to a universal stock printer, each invention was a stepping stone, each failure a lesson learned. These early inventions were just the beginning of Edison's impressive career. The stage was set for an inventive journey that would change the world. In 1876, Edison created something unheard of, an invention factory. This was no ordinary factory, mind you. This was a place where ideas were the raw material and inventions were the finished product. Nestled in the heart of Menlo Park, New Jersey, this was the birthplace of some of the most transformative inventions of the era. Edison didn't believe in solitary genius. Instead, he envisaged a team-based approach, where a group of skilled thinkers and tinkerers could collaborate, bouncing ideas off each other and refining them into workable solutions. This was a revolutionary concept at the time, a stark departure from the lone inventor toiling away in his workshop. The hallowed halls of his Menlo Park laboratory saw the creation of inventions that would change the world. One of the most notable of these was the phonograph. With it, Edison had found a way to capture sound and play it back, enabling people to listen to recorded music or speech for the first time. It was a marvel of its time, a magic box that could store voices and melodies to be released at will. Yet even this paled in comparison to another invention that emerged from Edison's factory, the practical incandescent light bulb. This was no mere refinement of existing technology. Edison's design was a game changer. His version of the light bulb was more reliable, longer lasting, and more practical than any that had come before. It was a light source for the masses, and it would ultimately illuminate the world. This was the power of Edison's Invention Factory. It was a place where creativity and ingenuity were harnessed and directed towards practical ends. It was a place where ideas were transformed into tangible, useful things. It was a place where the impossible was made possible, where the future was being created one invention at a time. Edison's Invention Factory was a hub of innovation, churning out invention after invention. It was a testament to the power of collaborative thinking and the relentless pursuit of progress. It was, in essence, a microcosm of the inventive spirit that has driven human advancement throughout history. Edison's work didn't stop with the invention of the light bulb. If anything, it was just the spark that ignited an even greater passion for innovation. He turned his attention to the practical application of electricity, setting in motion the wheels that would power the modern world. One of his most significant contributions was the establishment of the first investor-owned electric utility. This wasn't just an entrepreneurial venture for Edison, but a vision for a future where electricity was not a luxury, but a common household commodity. He established the Edison Electric Light Company in 1878, which later evolved into the General Electric Company, a name synonymous with electric power generation and distribution even today. Edison's genius extended beyond lighting up homes. He saw the potential of electricity in ways others couldn't fathom. He was instrumental in popularizing the use of direct current, or DC. This was a game changer in the world of electricity. DC was safer, more efficient, and allowed for the transmission of power over long distances. It sparked a current war with alternating current, or AC, championed by Nikola Tesla and George Westinghouse. Despite the eventual dominance of AC, DC remains a critical part of our electrical infrastructure. Edison's inventive spirit knew no bounds. He turned his eye to entertainment, and the motion picture camera was born. Known as the kinetograph, this invention revolutionized the entertainment industry. Edison's kinetoscope parlors, where people could watch short films, were the predecessors to the movie theaters we know today. His work in these fields not only changed the landscape of their respective industries, but also shaped the way we live our lives. Edison wasn't just an inventor, he was a visionary who saw the potential in electricity and harnessed it to transform our world. Edison's innovations continue to light up our world, long after his passing in 1931. Edison's impact on the world is immeasurable. His innovations have forever changed the course of history, shaping the world as we know it today. From the electric light bulb to the phonograph, his inventions have revolutionized our lives, transforming darkness into light, silence into sound, and bringing forth an era of unprecedented technological advancement. His legacy as one of America's greatest inventors is undeniable. He was a beacon of ingenuity and creativity, a man whose relentless curiosity and indomitable spirit brought forth ideas that seemed impossible. His work has paved the way for countless inventions that have followed, his spirit of innovation serving as a guiding light for inventors and dreamers alike. In the words of Edison himself, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." His spirit of innovation and perseverance continues to inspire inventors worldwide. His legacy lives on, not just in his inventions, but in the spirit of curiosity and determination that he embodied.